Hi everyone, Namaskar. So I'm back with the second update in this weekend. और अगर आप लोग यूएस मार्केट या फिर न्यूज़ फॉलो कर रहे हैं तो यू मस्ट हैव सीन कि फ्राइडे को देर हैज़ बीन ह्यूज सेल ऑफ इन यूएस मार्केट्स because of Trump's announcement on further tariffs and trade restrictions with China. So S&P 500 fell almost 2.7% and Nasdaq fell even more, almost 3.5%. Even Dow Jones Industrial Average also fell about 2%. So this is definitely going to impact the opening on Monday, right? So that's the reason I wanted to kind of make sure that I release this update before markets open, because जो हमारी वीकेंड अपडेट थी जो फ्राइडे को मैंने रिलीज़ की थी उसमें मैंने मेंशन किया था कि अभी हमारा जो प्राइमरी व्यू बेस्ड ऑन द फ्राइडेज मूव जो इंडियन मार्केट में आया था, दिस कुड पोटेंशियली बी अ न्यू मूव स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम दिस वाई, कि वाई ट्रंकेट हो सकती है और उसके साथ में 2 यहाँ ख़त्म हो गई है और 3 स्टार्ट हो गई है, और यहाँ पे 1 है, ये 2 है और 3 चल रही है, राइट। इसी के अंदर में हमने सारे सब डिविजन्स एक्सटेंशन भी हमने डिस्कस किए थे। बट गिवन द फैक्ट दैट what has happened in US markets, that's definitely going to have an impact on Indian markets, because FIIs are definitely going to kind of pull out some money because of this global uncertainty. Good thing is the DIAs have been net buyers, so they have been buying and supporting the markets. In fact, it's even rising Nifty, so that's a good thing. But what happened in US markets on Friday would likely cause a panic selling, right? So that could actually worsen the situation. So we have to see like how Monday goes. But one thing is almost certain, that this alternative that we made primary alternative, right, that may not play out. And the reason for that is S&P fell 2.5%. If I take a similar percentage move on Indian markets, so that would be around here at 24,652, right? It's not necessary that this is what would happen. So I'm just taking a worst case scenario. So if it falls this much, right, so we will be very close to the starting point of this up move, right? And there is a chance that there might be a spike. It could actually close even here, or maybe like much better than this, but there could be a spike which could go below this point. And if that happens, then this will invalidate this view that a fresh up move has started on the upside. So we will be back to the previous alternative, that 2 is not done and this Y is still not complete, right? So that's a possibility. So for the time being, I think till at least Monday is over, let's hold off this view कि ये जो अप मूव स्टार्ट हो रहा है, बिकॉज ये लो अभी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है और हमको ये देखना पड़ेगा मंडे को कि इसका क्या होता है। तो ये सेव हो पाता है या नहीं हो पाता है, उस पर डिपेंड करेगा कि हमारा जो ये व्यू कौन सा वाला प्राइमरी रहेगा, कौन सा वाला सेकेंडरी रहेगा। तो अगर ये सेव होता है, देन वी माइट काइंड ऑफ स्टिल थिंक कि this 1 2 3 4 5 on the upside is still a possibility. But if it gets breached on Monday, then we are likely back to the previous view जो हम फॉलो करते आ रहे हैं पिछले वीक तक, कि ये WXY है और Y अभी ख़त्म नहीं हुई है, Y चल रही है। Y जब ख़त्म होगी तभी आपकी 2 भी ख़त्म होगी। I thought it's important to convey this change, temporary change at least, in the view because of this uncertainty. तो let's see on Monday कि क्या होता है, and then we will fine tune our counts according to that, right? We'll see you on Monday. Bye for now.